Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push starting ignition. Multimedia package with navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. The C-Class has 37,185 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.